Hello everyone, welcome back. Today, we're comparing two popular bike lights from Magicshine, the Hori 1300 and the Evo 1700. Which one should you buy? Let's find out. The Evo 1700 is brighter with 1700 lumens compared to the Hori's 1300. But here's the catch. The Hori has better side spread, which means you see more of the road around you, and the Evo throws light straight ahead with a tight beam. Both have low and high beam modes to avoid blinding other riders. This is where things get interesting. The Evo has a bigger battery at 4000 mAh versus the Hori's 3200. The Evo claims 11 hours on low, but on full power you only get 2 hours. The Hori gives you 9.5 hours on low and 2 hours on high. Both charge fast with USB-C in about 2 hours. Here's the big difference. The Evo only mounts underneath your bike computer. That's it. No other option. The Hori is way more flexible. You can mount it on top or underneath, giving you more choices for your setup. However, Magicshine says don't put a computer on top of the Hori because it's too heavy. Both come with wireless remotes, which is awesome. You can change modes without taking your hands off the bars. Both sync with the Magicshine app, so you can even customize brightness. The Hori includes a remote in the box for $80, and the Evo costs $85 and also includes a remote. So, which one wins? If you want maximum brightness and only need to mount which one wins? If you want maximum brightness and only need to mount under your computer, get the Evo 1700. But if you want flexible mounting and better side visibility for a few bucks less, the Hori 1300 is the smart choice. For most riders, I'd pick the Hori. It's more practical. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Hit that like button and subscribe for more bike gear reviews.